Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. This is Rafe from Ratex Studio and today we are gonna be taking a look at the glorious model D2 Pro 4K by 8K edition. There is a regular version as well, but today in our studio we have the 4K by 8K version. So we are super excited to test it out and see how this gaming mouse actually performs in the real life scenarios. Moreover guys, you won't believe that the ergonomics of this mouse are super amazing and so is the gaming performance. But before moving further, quickly go down and press the subscribe button and the bell icon so you can receive the notifications of our upcoming videos, and this motivates us a lot. So first of all, let's hear a word from our sponsor. This video is brought you up by thekeysfan.com. So you just build a brand new gaming PC and you are super excited for it, but then you see the Windows activation message and you are like, damn, what I have to do now. So there's two options for you now. Buy a Windows activation key from official Microsoft store or get the same Windows key from thekeysfan.com for like 1/10 of the price. Moreover, the best part, you guys can use our code RTS52 to get 52% off on the Windows series and RTS62 to get 62% off on the Microsoft Office series. All you have to do is select the key you want for yourself and then add into the card. Apply the discount code. In this case, you will use the RTS52 to get 52% off, which means this Windows 11 key will go from 29.99 USD to 14 USD dollars. Then you will place your order and your activation key will be emailed to you, and that's it. So guys, let's quickly do the unboxing of this mouse and see what contents they have provided you into the box. Starting from the design language is super minimal and simple on the model D2 Pro. There are not any holes present in the upper shell, not at the bottom like the regular model D2, and neither there are any RGB lighting on this mouse. Glorious has kept a pretty stable and a sleek design on this mouse. The build quality is also top notch and the weight of the mouse is also under 62 grams. While shaking the mouse, minor rattles come from the scroll wheel, but other than that's a really solid mouse. There isn't any flex in the upper shell, and even the accidental clicks while slamming down the mouse do not occur. The Model D2 comes with a matte finish which makes the grip even more better for the mouse. Moreover, the matte surface does not attract too much fingerprints. It's super easy to clean and there are no signs of wear and tear. That indicates the fact that the wireless mouse will continue to last longer without any major wear and tear. At the left side, you have two side buttons, and due to its shape and the decent ergonomics, your thumb perfectly rests on these side buttons, which is pretty much helpful for high FPS competitive titles. The side buttons also have low pre and post travel, and they have a firm and snappy response. The mouse ergonomic design is mostly focusing palm and the claw grip styles, and this is ideal for right-handed gamers to medium to large hands. On the right side, we have nothing but a decent looking glorious branding, and at the bottom we have PTFE feet, which helps a lot in buttery smooth gliding of the mouse. Then we have a on off switch, a DPI indicating LED, and our main sensor, and at the top we have a DPI button at the center which is with the scroll wheel, and then we have our standard looking left and right buttons. Speaking of the switches, the Model D2 Pro comes with the glorious optical switches rather than the mechanical switches, and these switches have faster response as compared to the mechanical switches. Moreover, they have nice tactile feedback to them, and left and right buttons have moderate pre-travel and low post-travel. Moreover, the button response is quite snappy and firm, and overall we have no complaints with these switches. Well, these optical switches have more lifespan than the normal switches, and they will perform even much better in FPS gaming titles. The scroll wheel is also really good. It doesn't produce loud noise and it has a average tactile response, but the middle scroll wheel button requires a medium to high acquisition force, so that is something to notice. The Model D2 Pro comes with a BAFM 2.0 sensor, which is basically a PixArt PAW3395 sensor. The optical sensor delivers flawless tracking accuracy at speed of up to 650 inches per second, so that is pretty insane. Moreover, this also comes with a motion sync technology which ensures a smooth and a precise cursor experience at all the time. So as this is a 4K by 8K polling rate version, so the 8K polling rate can only be enabled while plugging in the cable in during the gaming. However, the 4K can be enabled without the cable with the given dongle into the box. A higher polling rate basically improves the overall cursor smoothness and the responsiveness, and this helps a lot into the esports and the FPS gaming titles. Last but not least, the battery life on this mouse is rated to be around 80 hours, and that's a pretty decent battery backup to be honest. However, if you keep the polling rate down, you might be able to squeeze even more battery hours from this mouse. So now guys, let's quickly test the software of this mouse.
Okay guys, opening the side of the Glorious, go into the support tab, and in the support tab you will see the downloadable software, and over here you can download the Core 2.1 for the Windows and the Mac OS as well. Well, I have downloaded the Core 2.1 for the Windows because I'm using Windows 10, and after installing that software you will see this window will open, and over here you will see the connected mouse, and just click on it and main settings will open, and this settings is showing you the all active profiles, or you can save your choice of profiles from over here, and you can select really easy from this tab. Also it will see the connectivity and the firmware plus the valuable battery. Also guys, there is a cloud profiles which you can easily sign in and register from the Glorious ID, which you can use after that. And in this home window you will also find the settings from which you can adjust the polling rate according to your choice, the debounce time, and also the lift off distance. And into the journal settings you will see the journal settings, the version of the app, and the other things guys. Well, this software is really easy to use, nothing difficult in this. Just go on the site and download after buying the mouse.
Well, at the last, let's talk about the price and the warranty. Well, Glorious is giving away this Model D2 Pro 4K by 8K version at the price of $129.99 US, and they are also giving a warranty of 2 years on their products. So we are pretty much impressed by the Glorious Model D2 Pro, and we would definitely recommend you guys to try it out and check for yourself. So that was it guys. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you have any question, you can mention into the comments and we will definitely answer you.